Welcome! I'm so glad you took the time to check us out. Be sure to pay careful attention to this entire message. Everyone is talking about Bitcoin. Should you invest in Bitcoin? Is cryptocurrency the way of the future or a risky investment? Don't be overwhelmed. Help is here. In fact, we would love to share more about how cryptocurrency investing can lead to profits. Let's get started.
How would you like to lock in a position right at the very beginning of something so huge and instantly create an online hands-free passive income stream that would drop commissions into your account consistently every day? Would that change your life? If you answered yes, then you're in the right place. No team building or recruiting required to earn. No quotas or requirements to meet. Even free members can earn commissions. My team and I are excited to share with you a unique and never before seen automated hands-free income solution that is 100% passive. Introducing a unique commissions generation system that allows you to profit from the efforts of professional traders that trade on your behalf every single day. This unbreakable passive income platform has been quietly making us passive daily income online without needing anything complicated, such as no trading required, no team building required, and no setting up of your own website at all, or need any experience whatsoever, and allowing you to earn $100 to $300 per day passively. If you could tap into these sorts of results right now, would you want access to it? Well, that's exactly what's possible with this very system. This is hands down the easiest way to start making $300 or more a day online, regardless of experience level of what you've tried in the past, or regardless whether you choose to recruit people into this. In fact, we have people making hundreds of dollars per day already without even recruiting a single person. Let me show you how easy it is to get set up and earning your first commissions today. Step 1. Simply download a free app onto your phone or computer. It takes 10 seconds. Step 2. Deposit at least $10 minimum to start earning 1.2% daily commissions. And step 3. There is no step 3, as you're already in commissions. Simply tell some friends and show them you're already earning a hands-free income. Show them on your smartphone device and help them to get set up on their device. It's that easy. We make money 100% passively, and we know many of you, just like me, have struggled to earn a decent online income in the past, as there's so much stuff that can mess up. But you don't have to worry about that anymore, as this hands-free passive income system does all the work for you. It gives you a simple app-based interface on your phone to view all your earnings right on the easy-to-use dashboard. And for those that choose to build a team, we have the tools to help you build and earn from your own team too, down multiple levels. But team building is not required to earn a passive income. Making money online has never been easier with the help of this very simple app-based system that runs on either a phone in your pocket or on the computer. And there's nothing else out there like this. If you act now to get started, you can begin seeing your daily commissions drip into your account by tonight. So click the button below to get started, and I'll see you on the inside.
We'd love to share more with you about this exciting new opportunity that others are already putting into practice and profiting from. You can learn more directly below this video.